Me used to take picture with the hood in my jacket.
You hood in your jacket? You? So you tell me say nobody doing this in there? Eh? I make him take picture of you there and something?
I didn't like it because...
Jackana.
Time and time again, them boys are technically idiot. But those who don't learn, them are go feel. Now it's a time to turn up. This hand of mine a bun to blood clot. Its hotness I tell me to kill you. Erupting, burning finger. Whoa! Now fire for that.
Yes, yeah, you think it heavy as your fuck.
Yeah, got dead.
Yeah, got dead, buddy boy. So, your mother.
What's up with the mama?
Jump back your mother.
So let's chop up one another and kill in a bomb buckler. Make sense of the gut your back hurt in a pussy. I don't know, mama get gunshot in her blood.
How you do?
I think I play boy this. Never murder your blood your mother.
Yes, yeah, you think it heavy as your fuck.
Yeah, got dead.
Yeah, got dead, buddy boy. So, your mother.
What's up with the mama?
Jump back your mother.
So let's chop up one another and kill in a bomb buckler. Make sense of the gut your back hurt in a pussy. I don't know, mama get gunshot in her blood.
How you do?
I think I play boy this. Never murder your blood your mother.
Off the coast of the old Harbour Bay fishing village in St. Catherine.
An alleged eyewitness spoke with our news team.
Me dey on the land and see boat when it a go out. And when the boat a go out, me see say boat. Nah run good and me say how them a run the boat so. And when me look, me no see the boat again. All me see was sitting a float a kundo you see. And me have to start shout to the people man I say, you see that boat there turn over and the people them are dead.
He says in trying to assist, he encountered some challenges.
If we go out there, hold one eye woman, put him in a boat, cut big stew box, put him in a boat because me didn't do it, you are dead. So, yes sir? Yeah, because him a go drown. If somebody go drown and you know knock him out, you know, you can't see if him with drown you too, you know.
Oh, scunt, man.
Yo, but we not gonna come off of this bomb clot island and a dog, you see me? But what? Yeah.
Shut your scunt now, man. Jeez, you fretting me. All you could do is talk. You're talking like that.
Well, excuse my blood clot for trying to make conversation, cause the two of us trapped on the bomb clot island, you know.
My trot. Yeah, I finally catch another one of them. A free, come here. Alright, let me go back to Bartico. Let me get along. Yeah. Ah, shit. Hey, Bano. Bring the curry powder from in the bucket down there.
Dog, me can't wait for touchdown back on my bay and dog. My girl there wait for...
Hey, yo, dog. Me and you get half on the wrong foot. And I just wanted to come and apologize for being, you know, rude to you and all of that. You see me? Real thing. It's not really in my nature to do something like that.
Yo, so, brother, you're good in the dog, you see me?
Alright, good. Meet my new friend, Deborah. Deborah say I'm there. I'm there. Me and Deborah gonna help you do what you gotta do.
Yo, no seeing in a brother, you see me? Cool meds. So, when you touch back in a guy...
Don't tell me about me fucking currying your taste.
What the first...
So me currying your taste, eh? Me friggin' currying your taste to you, boy.
How we expect a blood clot? You know, put the cube in it.
Everybody.
Hey, how are you do? I want to go, sir. A picture you have to take of me? You ask permission to take picture with me?
Why do I want a picture of you?
Clot, woman. You do too much now, you know. You do blood clot too much. You blood clot.
Hey, guys.
tap your knives and take wood. Me know why you're there for no, oh God, this too hot, it too hot. Shut up your mouth. Because last night you're in my skin, so you want wood. You want wood, so me give you wood. And me give you wood. And me give you wood. All the time I turn you back here, me, you put out like a... And I realize I come and bust your ear bag. You're in my skin and you get wood now. I realize you look for me like you say, oh, your wood feet so big. And the penis enlargement capsule them me I take. Me link parody and parody tell me how to fix you. And me I fix you now. So guess what you going to do now? You going to tell your husband about it. And me alone can walk on a big stick me up. This what is straight me back. Me I can buy a jack strap. This is so big now.
His life. But to Kratos, victory was worth any price. Even his soul.
Ares! Destroy my blood clot enemies! And my life are yours.
The sky split apart, and the god of war stepped through.
Wagwan Kratos!
Descending from Olympus, he saw the makings of a god in a mere mortal. Ares would save Kratos. He would turn him into the perfect warrior, his servant on Earth.
Naruto
Killer online experience when me gain over years. Me learn a number of healthy ways of deal with stress. One of them get them is Ras! Hey Bumble boy, how are you papa fit for?
Me could remember if me did fi push or me fi pull.
Remember, now you're born where you live.
Me did a try fi figure it out.
Ah, ain't no papa fit.
Have anything else to say to the people before we cut?
Get a youth to know all out. Now use your body or your mouth.
Bumbuckler.
If Jamaicans were in DBZ.
When ants battle a dinosaur, who do you think emerges the victor?
Go suck your mother. Me ready for one hour no ramp with me and see me now. Flush on the face, pussy. Big up, go suck your mama. Go suck.
What living in Dragon Ball Z is like.
Look at me, car. Look at me, car. Look at me, car. Jesus Christ, God, kill me, please. God, forgive me, please. God, kill me. Yeah. What?
Which bumbo clot dog I am? Cause this morning I wake up good enough. Give me a good blood clot dog. What kind of little bumbo clot dog is my game? In case of a load of blood clot.
Me say bumbo clot, the place that you fuck.
Dirty pussy boy, me tell you say stop remind me say blood clot Jamaica with the batty boy.
Tell the pussy will stop reminding me dog. Me too.
Back to work, you never feel no cup of feel in the back. Dung in your throat, gal. Tapping eyes up me coming on your throat, gal.
And the walking gun in your throat, gal. Anything where you do, you the votes. You're dung in your neck back. You see the two, you suck that. You see the two bars, you suck.
Rascal, you when the pussy will up this sing. You a mad thing on the depend.
J.O.P. We are gonna fuck up a party tonight, you just watch. Tonight me feel like spend some cash. Pool and events, just watch. If a Givenchy shoes, then the belt must match.
Oi, hold this, you nasty fucker.
In fat fuck, hold it.
Man as the boss.
Yo, what you do with that?
Yo, I cut, you know. One of them day, I come back for the scene. Ah!
Yo, how far you think you da go with that? You want a man left that shovel across here?
I want to bend you over. I want to bend you over in my bathroom and see me up on the counter. And watch me ram out your blood clot hole, see me. One.
What's going on?
Some mad bumbo crack girl doing.
Judas, Master. Judas, me down like the way you attack to the Pharisees them. Him a sell out. Me wonder, you want to sell the son of man to the system? Remember them a try to kill me since me a little picnic? Me mother take me to exile down in a Egypt. Them a go kill me still, but me a go rise from the dead and make history. Remember when me walk pan the temple and I beat them? Bad, bad, mad tune me teacher. Peter say so. Respect, respect. A big tune. Me name the song Loyalty. Loyalty every day. And you notice how me did I use parables in a me lyrics them. Bad artist me teacher. Anyway. Judas. Master. On a serious note, you understand me have the ability to see things. Multi-talented. Me have the ability to see your intentions. Clear?
Alright, Merrick, me I go finish this duel. Me play this. No, sir, I multiply that. Yes, sir. Legends never die, you see. Them only a multiply. Lord God, him both sacrifice them. Me sacrifice me 3 bad man fiends to play the baddest man of them all. Obelisk, the blood-clad murderer.
Boy, look Pan Merrick. Look at him. The boss look like a morphy shit himself.
Pharaoh, please, don't do me that. Go suck your mama, Merrick. Obelisk, mash up in blood clots. Me not gonna lose like this.
We must find a way to win, Pharaoh.
Of course we can win, Yugi. All we have to do is cheat. Now it's my turn. Me draw. Haha, look what me get. Whoa! Now me a go summon this. Slifer! The blood-clad sky dragon!
Can't believe him summon a real Egyptian god card.
Lord God, me a sweat.
Look at the boy sweat. It's over. Yugi ought to mash up him blood clot.
Now, Slifer, mash up him blood clot! Me bomb clot!